In the next 10 or more videos, I'll be talking about the useful plugins that you should have, that every WordPress blog should have installed, the most important 10 plugins. So the first one I'm going to talk about here is actually installed by default, and it is very useful because once your blog or website becomes popular and you have people visiting it, it doesn't actually have to be popular. As soon as you are on the internet for like a week or so, you're gonna start getting some spam comments by people that want to just make money from by any crooks. So let's look at, if you click on plugins, or you go to the installed plugins, I've actually installed one which is called the admin username changer, but that's for me because when I was doing the video, you saw me putting my username and password and stuff. So in order to be safe, because people are very dangerous on the internet, so I had to change my username and then my password as well to be more secure. So the one we're going to be talking about in this video is called the Akismet. So it's used by millions. Akismet is quite possibly the best way in the world to protect your blog from comments and track back spam. It keeps your site protected from spams even while you sleep. So it's actually very useful. It's a very good one, but it is not. You have to set it up. So this is what we want to do. So right now it's saying there's a new version of Akismet. So let's update that. If you click on update now, you can say, so actually it downloads and unpack and install itself. So let's activate the plugin. It said it's activated, but we need to, Akismet is almost ready. You must enter your Akismet API key. So this is exactly what I want to pay your attention to. So you need to put your API key. If you don't have a key, that's alright. All you have to do is just click on this link that says get your key, and it's going to take you to Akismet page, and you can get an Akismet key by putting in some few details. Remember, it is zero. You don't have to pay anything for it. It's free. So all you have to do, this one is say $0 to $120 a year for non-business and personal blogs. So just click on sign up, and then put some of this information and just slide this down to 0. This was never there before. I didn't pay anything. Just put some of the email, and they will send you your API key. They were going to send your API key to the email address that you provide. And the good thing about this is this key can be used multiple times on different blogs that you create, so you don't have to do this all the time. I've only had one Akismet API key since I had my first one. I've been using it for every other website that I have. So let's go back to our WordPress page. So once you get your key, once you set your email address, put the key here, and you can either choose to auto delete spam submitting on post more than a month old, which is, I think, is a good idea. Show the number of comments you've approved beside each comment author, so you can also do that. So once you do that, you just have to click on update options, and it's going to update your Akismet API key on the page, and you're ready. And it is actually very good. It picks out a lot of spams, and it will put them in the spam folder that you don't have to deal with them. And the one that it thinks that is quite genuine comments, then depending on the settings that you've chosen in the discussion area of the settings, remember when we're doing the discussions area, then the comments might be approved automatically if it detects not to be a spam, or you can be held for moderation until you approve them. I always like to approve all the comments on my websites, because you never know. People are quite clever. Anyway, I don't want to put my API key in front of the video so that people don't start using my key. I'm not sure if it's going to work for them anyway, but just have to be careful online. So this is how you do it. If you have any problem, and you can let me know. This is a very useful plugins, and we'll talk about the next one in the next video. Thank you.